There's a world of code we write each day. With JavaScript we pave the way. Operators, they lead the dance. From numbers to logic, they give us a chance. Subtract, multiply, divide. Operators help us decide how the data flows and turns in the code that lives and learns. The operators, so neat. They make our JavaScript complete. Arithmetic, logical, and more. They open up the coding door. Arithmetic in operators, so neat. They make our JavaScript complete. Arithmetic, logical, and more. They open up the coding door. Addition adds the plus signs here, brings things together, makes it clear. Subtractions dash will take away. The numbers fade as they decay. Multiplication star, it grows. Operators help us dis and dash how the data flows and turns in the code that lives and learns. The operators, so neat. They make our JavaScript complete. Arithmetic, logical, and more. They open up the coding door. They open up the coding door. Operators, so neat. They make our JavaScript complete. Arithmetic, logical, and more. They open up the coding door. Arithmetic in operators, so neat. They make our JavaScript complete. Arithmetic, logical, and more. They open up the coding door. Oh, increment goes up one step, climbs high, don't you forget. Decrement will take us down, lowers us without a sound. Exponent will give the power, makes numbers bloom like a flower. Modulus finds what's left behind. Percent shows the remainder you will find. The operators, so neat. They make our JavaScript complete. Arithmetic, logical, and more. They open up the coding door. They open up the coding door. The operators, so neat. They make our JavaScript complete. Arithmetic, logical, and more. They open up the coding door. Arithmetic in operators, so neat. They make our JavaScript complete. Arithmetic, logical, and more. They open up the coding door. So practice now, don't be shy. Operators help your code fly high. Arithmetic, logic, they're in your hands. In JavaScript, you'll take a stand. Oh, practice, practice, learn and play. With JavaScript, you'll lead the way. Operate the way.
Okay, back to Visual Studio. So let's go ahead and do some addition. Let sum equals 10 plus 5. That can be let sum equals this variable or that variable or whatever. But adding two things together, whether constants or variables, will give you an answer. So I run this, 15 is the answer. Let's do some subtraction. Let difference equals 10 minus 3. Run that. Okay. Now we're going to do a product. Should be 24. Okay. We're going to do a quotient. Now you will notice if you are a C programmer or a C#, C++ programmer, even a C# programmer, you would expect that to be 5, and that is actually what you get, but it will automatically do a decimal place if you give it a number like that. So don't forget that numbers in JavaScript are actually floating point numbers. It tries to give you integer results if it can, but there's no guarantee because it's really underneath the covers. It's a floating point number. Okay, remainder 15 modulus 4 should give you 3, because when you divide 15 by 4 you get a remainder of 3. Power, it's just it's an exponential, so this is 3 to the power of 2. Okay, so you get 9 there. Now here's an interesting one. We're going to go ahead and try the increment operator, and plus plus just adds 1 each time. It's actually faster than adding 1, and there are some times when it's actually more convenient too. Okay, and the last one is decrement. that I'm going to do in this section. It just subtracts 1. Here again, it's fast, and sometimes it's really convenient. So these operators do have a precedence. And parentheses is the highest precedence. Exponentiation comes next. Multiplication, division, and modulus, these all are the same precedence except for once you establish the multiplication, division, and modulus precedence, they go from left to right. Addition and subtraction, the same thing. They're the next priority, and after that you go from left to right with them.